Family trip to Portland, Oregon. March 21st to 22nd. I videoed most of the trip using my Ray-Ban Wayfarer metaglasses. Overnight trip for the Bears could go to the Denver Nuggets vs Portland Trailblazers game. Took off out of Spokane's Felts Field for almost a solid IFR flight with a 30-knot headwind. Instrument approach into Portland.
On our way to Portland's Hillsborough Airport on a windy day. 45 knots of headwind. How's everybody in the back? You need to spray?
I packed one, luckily.
Now that's gonna be on the video.
Yeah, one of them farted, probably coffee.
Arrival here at Hillsborough, and it's pouring out there. Oh, they got the car right. You turned it off, right? The headset. Wow, all your stuff. How long has it been like this? Or is it always like this?
It's been like this for a while.
Yeah, I guess it. All right, unloaded. Dude, in the car. Well, I guess go in the car. Come on out. You can come. You can come out. Out in the car. Go. Out. Go. Okay. That's the Kimpton Hotel right there. He's very negative, so I let him loose. I did, yeah.
It's so pretty.
Take a picture of the park and the bridge. There's some ducks. Right. They're gonna get chased soon. We're walking down, what's this way called? Without the dogs.
Stayed at the Kimpton Hotel. They are very dog friendly. Pouring rain the whole first day. Willamette River runs into the Columbia.
We ate at a good place here before where we had the dogs outside on the leash. Walking the dogs again. That's the hotel over here. Kimpton Hotel. Get outside in the rainy Portland area. This is the room. The Hondas all got the debarkers on and chewing their chews. Somebody doesn't want to get left behind.
to see the Siena's favorite team, the Denver Nuggets, play the Portland Trail Blazers at the Moda Center. Irene and Siena walked there and we picked them up afterwards.
Morning in Portland. This is East Portland at the Kimpton dog-friendly hotel. Finishing up some coffee. Take a look at what's going on here. Bunch of roas and stuff.
Sun came out, but place was still soggy wet.
Good morning. Earlier, there was some bums peeing on a tree up there, camping out. This is where we ate breakfast this morning.
We ate at Little River Cafe.
That's where they have a nice breakfast here at the breakfast place. This is at the breakfast. We've got a pulled pork. And you got tuna melts, bun central. I see some tents.
Driving to Smith's Tea, dodging bums.
You know, there's a whole bunch of abandoned cars and a bum fire. I've seen a bum. Wow. Smith Tea. Okay.
Smith Tea. It's such a nice place. They have nice little trees. Smell good. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Here's some of their Coeurs. They have some different stuff you can't usually. Yeah, we order it there. Oh, this is where you can smell it. Dickie just fell.
Smith Tea.
Dickie, go pick.
Now we're going
We're at the Hillsboro Airport.
Bum Central.
Ew, there's muddy everywhere. He fell. Go in the car. I mean, in the airplane. Go in the car. In the car. In the plane. Boss. Yeah, lift up the jerk. Hopefully, I couldn't open it. I think so.
Hillsboro getting ready for departure. Saratoga 616 Alpha Romeo is fully ready for departure.
In the airplane. Are you tired already? Holding pattern?
Somebody's cleared a touch and go right ahead of us. How you guys doing in the back?
They're going to take a nap.
Yeah, somebody's coming in for a touch and go. We can grade the landing. So green everything in this area, huh?
Yep. There's a golf course underneath us.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of places even flooded.
Yep.
Left Portland to fly to Yaddo's Coeur d'Alene Airport. Coeur d'Alene fuel prices are almost $2 per gallon less than
bumpy going
Spokane.
through the clouds.
Right.
Clouds will be blocking us, so we won't be able to see Mount St. Helens or Adams. There's the Columbia kids.
Yeah, and there's like lots of branches.
You see Mount Hood over here? There's
Right here.
Columbia.
My 1 o'clock.
Okay. wind farms down there also.
Right there.
So down here is Vancouver, Washington. That's where Rollo is from. The dear departed Rollo. The guys don't want to sleep. Flying northeastbound toward Spokane area.
About 800 feet
got up.
Number 44.
Descending into the Spokane area shortly. Actually light rain over at Coeur this time. The guys never passed out. Hey, Cosmo. There's Spokane National just ahead of us. Looks like we'll get a few minutes of actual IFR. Out there is the old stomping ground, the Fairchild Air Force Base.
Saratoga 6 Alpha.
Few bumps going through the clouds.
Delta 1391, crossroads center, about 7,000, clear.
It's a bouncy to put you to sleep. When we go through the clouds, it's even getting you bouncier.
That's fine.
Saratoga 616 Alpha Romeo, yields inside cancel IFR. Saratoga 616 Alpha Romeo is left downwind runway 24 quarter lane traffic. Hayden Lake kids. Saratoga 616 Alpha Romeo is turning to left base runway 24 quarter lane traffic. Lane traffic, Saratoga 616 Alpha Romeo on final runway 24 quarter lane traffic. Off. Coeur d'Alene traffic, Saratoga 616 Alfa Romeo is clearing the runway on Delta, taxi and fuel pumps. Coeur d'Alene traffic. I'm filming now. Hey, Kazi Momo. Momo, come on down. People from Tinky. Oh, there's the rain. I see it now. It looks like Berga.